Hi there and welcome to SYncX, Stock Sync. You can update or add SEO page title and SEO meta description to products with the matching column. On the matching column of the feed, find or select SEO page title and SEO meta description from the store product fields. Enter the column name or index for mapping. In the smart settings for SEO page title and SEO meta description have similar settings. Find and replace allows you to replace any word or phrase from the feed with the value that you have added. For example, replace the SEO meta description floral. Simply enter floral on find field and enter cartoon on replace field. You can also skip updates when the feed value is blank. Note that a value of 0 is not considered blank. Once you are ready, click on Next, and all changes will be saved.